Hi folks, so we thought we'd film a quick tutorial on how to fit the Brandrup Air-Safe. So we've got two variants here. The one on the left is for the manually closing door, part number 052, and the one on the right is for the electric soft close, part number 053. So a lot of people get confused with the electric soft close, so it's just the last centimetre the door closes on its own. It's not like a totally closing rear tailgate or anything like that, it's just the last centimetre or so. So we're fitting this to a manual close California Beach. If you're looking at this rear locking mechanism here, some of them look a little bit different on this bit. So where you can see this moulding that comes out, a lot of the other vans are, that actually is cut out there, and that's when this little rubber end on the manual close one comes into use, because it stops it scratching as it goes in, like that. It stops it scratching the rubber moulding. But in this scenario where we've got these like plastic gates there, we can take this rubber bit off because we don't need that. So in terms of fitting it, literally just grab the Airsafe, pop it in like so, and then as we lower the tailgate down, I'm just going to put my fingers underneath and hold this upright, and I'll feed it into the latch. So just feed it in. You can feel it when it enters the latch, and you'll hear it click like that. And once it's on, there's no way that's coming off. So once you lock the van, very, very secure. You've got roughly about 6 inch ventilation there. So just opening the tailgate back up, I'll just show you what this looks like from underneath the tailgate. So as this drops down, you're holding this up in the air, and as this drops down, it literally just goes into there, and then you can't, there's no way of getting that out. It's quite secure. Once you lock the door, obviously it's grabbed it. We've also just tried this electric closing variant on this manual close transporter, and that doesn't work at all. Because this little hook is a bit shorter on this end, when that closes down, this will actually still move out the manual close one, so your van's not secure. So if you have got a manual close van on there, make sure you go for this one on the left. Once again, part number ending 052. Cheers, thanks for watching.